Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
See 7 layers. So physical layer, physical structure, it contains physical structure like coaxial cable, fiber cable, wireless adapters, hubs, repeaters, etc. Next, data link layer, it contains frames. Frame is a collection of bits, Ethernet and a triple P switch bridge. This comes under data link layer. Network layer, it contains packets, IP, Internet Protocol, ICMP, IPsec and ICMP. Then transport, end-to-end connections, transmission control protocol, user datagram protocol, etc. Then session layer, it contains synchronous and send to port, APIs, application programming interface, sockets, WinSocket. Then syntax layer contains SSL, SSH, IM, AP, file transfer protocol, motion picture expert group, join picture expert group. End user layer, HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, file transfer protocol, IRC, SSH, domain name service, IRC. So these are the 7 layers of OSI model. See 7 layers, open system interconnection. OSI model is a conceptual model created by the international organization by standardization, which enables diverse communication systems to communicate using the standard protocols. See physical layer, it transmits raw bit stream. It transmits raw bit streams through physical cable over the physical medium. Data link layer defines the format of data on the network. Network layer, it decides which physical path the data will take. Transmit data using transmission protocols including TCP and UDP. Session layer maintains connections and is responsible for controlling ports and sessions. Presentation layer, it ensures that data is in a usable format and is where data encryption occurs. Application layer, human computer interaction layer, where applications can access the network services. This is about open source interconnection model. This is a computer networks. So physical layer contains cables, hubs, etc. Here we are performing data encoding, physical medium attachment, transmission technique, baseband and broadband, physical media transmission, bits and volts. Physical layer is responsible for concerned with the transmission and reception of the unstructured raw bit stream over the physical media. Then data link layer, it is responsible and provides error-free transfer of data frames from one node to another over the physical layer. It contains frames. A frame is nothing but envelopes, contains MAC address, and it establishes and terminates the logical link between nodes, frame traffic control, frame sequencing, frame acknowledgement, frame delimiting, frame error checking, media access control. The network layer responsible for controls the operations of the subnet, deciding the critical path data takes. It contains packets. Packet is nothing but it contains letter, contains IP address, etc. Network layer consists of concepts like routing, subnet traffic control, fragmentation, logical physical address mapping, subnet usage accounting, etc. Then transport layer, it ensures that the messages are delivered error free, in sequence and with the number of losses and duplications. It contains protocols like TCP and UDP, transmission control protocol, user datagram protocol, TCP host to host flow control. It contains concepts like message segmentation, message acknowledgement, message traffic control, session multiplexing, session layer. It allows session establishment between processes running on different stations. It contains applications like synchronous and send to ports, logical ports. The concepts like session establishment, maintenance and termination, session support, perform security, name recognition, logging, etc. Then a presentation layer formats the data to be presented to the application layer. It can be viewed as the translator for the network. It contains syntax layer like encryption and decryption. Okay. Character code translation, data conversion, data compression, data encryption, character set translation. That is about the presentation layer. The last layer is application layer. Okay. Application layer is responsible. It serves the window for users and application process to access the network services. So end user layer means program that opens what was sent or creates what is to be sent. The concepts are resource sharing. You can call it as resource sharing, remote file access. Okay, remote file access. So then remote printer access. Remote printer access you can call, and resource sharing, remote directory services, network management, etc. This is about the 7 layers of open source interconnection. If you want to read in detail about the physical layer is responsible for transmitting data and receiving data over transmission medium. Data is treated as unstructured raw data, the actual physical connection between the devices on a network. Physical layer, transmission media, technologies, transmission media, connectors and pinout assignments, signal speed and voltage, signal encoding, transmission devices, handshaking procedures, interfaces to data link. Physical layer contains coaxial cables, copper wire, optical fiber.